Hello everyone, today let's talk about crankshaft rear oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and it has double spring. This is one and there is one, so it has double spring. This size is internal diameter is 100 and external diameter is 125. The sinker is 12. It has OEM number, and the OEM number is YC209-100125FL. You can through the OEM number to find this oil seal. The color is red-brown, and this oil seal have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature and more wear resistance, with longer service life, good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud pro water, thickened spring, thickened skeleton. This is a spring and there is one, so double spring. This is a crankshaft rear oil seal applicable to heavy truck. We also can provide the customers the service. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.